Hey Stampers, it's BrandysCards here. I am so excited. We're getting ready to start our 15th Creativate Online Stamping Retreat. If you've never been to one of our virtual stamping retreats, they are so much fun. We have folks join us from all over the world. And I wanted to come to you and share a little bit about our upcoming event. Registration is now open, so we would love to have you join us. I'd love for you to be a guest of BrandysCards. So there will be a link in the description of this video that you can go and see all of the details about our upcoming event. You can see the price and, of course, the tutorials, the schedule, all of it. So make sure you go check that out. But I just want to tell you first that we have got some amazing projects coming up for you. I am so excited. I put the final touches on my projects this weekend, and I can't hardly wait to create with you. So we have 8 live presentations. That's right, so we'll have 8 live presentations. We're gonna start on Friday night. So we're gonna start on Friday, October 13th. That's when we're getting started. Friday, October 13th, and then we're going to start again all day on Saturday. So you'll have to get a lot of sleep on Friday night because then we're going to go and we're going to create together all day Saturday. So we have got 8 live presentations, and we also have a guest presenter for you as well. And this person is from Stampin' Up, from Stampin' Up Corporate. We're really excited about her sharing with us. So we'll have 9 presentations for you. There'll be 48 tutorials. Oh my gosh, you will have inspiration for weeks to come. So we're really excited about that. We like to keep all of the projects generic. A lot of times I get emailed and say, what's the supply list? What stamp sets do you use? Here at our Creativate Retreat, we're not looking to have you go out and purchase the products that we're using. We want to inspire you to get into your craft room and to create. Pull the designer series paper you have off the shelf and the stamp sets that you have, and you should be able to create the projects that we share with you. That's why we show you several different samples of each project. So just a lot of fun. Our event is in YouTube Live. That's right. So when you join us, you'll have links, live links to YouTube, where you can get in the chat if you would like. And if not, well, you can giggle and laugh along with us, right? And if you can't join us live, that's okay. We have a web page. It's the Creativate Retreat web page. So the BrandysCards web page will always be available to you, lifetime access. Everything you need will be on that web page. So if you can't join us live, no worries. You can come and go. You can follow up later. You can download the tutorials. You can rewatch the videos. All of those links and tutorials will be there for you. We even have backup tutorials. We want to make sure that in case one of us gets sick or maybe the electricity goes out, that you still have access to all of those tutorials and are inspired to get into your craft room and craft. So the Creativate Fall 2023 Retreat is coming up quick, and registration is open. So make sure you look in the description of this video or go to brandyscards.com/creativate. And it's there that you'll find the registration link. So if you have any questions, reach out to me, send me an email. And if you have joined us for the Creativate Retreat, I would love for you to share in the comments. We receive so many amazing comments from those of you that have joined us. We have some folks that joined us from like the very first one over 3 years ago. It's amazing, and we just have a ball. So we hope that you will consider joining us as well. All right. Oh, before I go, I didn't mention that we have prize giveaways. We have 32 prize giveaways, and anybody who registers for the event can be drawn for a prize giveaway. Yes, that includes our foreign demonstrators as well, our foreign customers, foreign demonstrators. So that means that any of you, I should say attendees, not customers, but anybody who joins us and registers for the event can win a free retreat to the winter 2024 event. So that's pretty cool. So definitely make sure that you get registered right away. So thank you so much for joining me. Let me know if you have questions and be sure to leave a comment. Bye, everybody.